I'm Dr. Dennis Doss, and today I wanted to talk about my philosophy with the Brazilian butt lift and how I use this procedure to sculpt any body to create the best proportions for that body. Whether my patient is tall or short or very petite, very thin, or more full figured, this procedure creates beautiful proportions for everybody. Now, here's an example of a patient that I did who is a very petite, thin Asian gal, and I performed a Brazilian butt lift. And what you can see is it's really sculpted out her waist and her hips to create beautiful proportions. Her tummy is super flat, and her waist is just as small as it can be created. And the buttock is now fuller, and it looks beautiful on her. Here is an example of a more full-figured woman who I also performed a Brazilian butt lift on. And as you can see, the results are also very similar in that I've created a nice waist to hip ratio, a flatter stomach, and beautiful proportions. One of the greatest satisfactions that I get is seeing my patients back in the office after they've fully recovered from their Brazilian butt lift, because that's when I get to really admire their new proportions, and the patients can tell me how excited they are and how confident they are with their results and how many compliments they get from their friends and family members. So as you can see, the Brazilian butt lift creates really nice proportions for any body type, whether you're tall, short, petite, very thin, or more full-figured. And that's why I called it the Brazilian butt lift, because beautiful proportions are created in any body type.